Welcome to Holistic Living. Get ready for a life-changing discovery today. Did you know there's a plant that's so powerful it's called a miracle tree? It's packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and healing properties. Yes, I'm talking about Moringa. In this video, we're diving deep into the science-backed benefits of Moringa and why it could be the missing piece in your health journey. Stay with me until the end because I have an important alert and some pro tips to help you get the most out of this magical plant. Let's jump right in. Unleashing the power of Moringa. Quick question, have you heard about Moringa before? Comment below if you have and tell me what you know. If not, no worries, you're about to become a Moringa expert. This superfood is no longer just a secret of ancient traditions. Recent human studies have confirmed that Moringa can dramatically improve your health. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology showed that people who added Moringa leaf powder to their diet saw a huge boost in their antioxidant levels. What does that mean for you? Well, antioxidants protect your body from oxidative stress, which is a major cause of inflammation, aging, and chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. Pro tip number 1. To really experience the full benefits of Moringa, consistency is key. Try adding it to your daily routine, whether in smoothies, teas, or even sprinkled over your food. The science behind Moringa. Now let's talk about why Moringa is so effective. Studies have shown that Moringa is loaded with polyphenols, flavonoids, and other powerful compounds that help your body fight off harmful free radicals. Free radicals are molecules that can cause damage to your cells and lead to serious health problems over time. Quick question. Are you already incorporating antioxidants into your diet? If so, let me know in the comments what your favorite sources are, besides Moringa, of course. And here's the best part. Moringa is incredibly safe. The study I mentioned earlier showed no negative side effects, making it perfect for everyday use. Why Moringa matters, a global health solution. Moringa isn't just a wellness trend, it's a solution that could benefit global health. It grows in tough climates and is used as a nutritional supplement in many developing countries. So when you choose Moringa, you're also supporting sustainable health solutions worldwide. The incredible benefits of Moringa. Now let's get into the real magic of Moringa and how it can benefit you. Here are 8 ways Moringa works wonders for your body. First, nutrient-rich. Moringa contains more vitamin C than oranges and more calcium than milk. It's also a good source of protein which helps in building and repairing tissues. Second, antioxidant properties. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, slowing down the aging process and protecting you from chronic diseases. Third, heart health booster Moringa has been shown to reduce cholesterol and regulate blood pressure, keeping your heart in tip-top shape. Fourth, blood sugar control research suggests that Moringa may help balance blood sugar levels, which is crucial for people dealing with diabetes or those trying to avoid energy crashes during the day. Fifth, digestive bliss. Moringa supports gut health, reducing bloating and improving digestion. This is key if you want to feel lighter and more energized. Sixth, weight management. Trying to shed some pounds? Moringa's high fiber content helps keep you full for longer, making it easier to manage your weight. Seventh, prostate health. For men, Moringa supports prostate health and may help balance hormones. Eighth, liver support. Moringa helps detoxify and protect your liver, which is responsible for filtering toxins from your body. Pro tip, if you're using Moringa powder, try mixing it into your morning smoothie or sprinkle it over your salad. A little goes a long way when it comes to this powerful plant. Discover Moringa magic. At Holistic Living, we believe in products that actually work for your health. That's why we're excited to introduce Moringa Magic, a supplement crafted to bring all of these benefits into your life with ease. Imagine waking up every day feeling more energized, more focused, and just overall healthier, and all you had to do was add Moringa to your routine. Pro tip: when choosing a Moringa supplement, always look for organic options to avoid pesticides or other chemicals. You want pure, clean Moringa for the best results. Their 100% health and happiness guarantee. Still on the fence? They've got you covered with an ironclad 60-day money-back guarantee. If Moringa Magic doesn't absolutely transform your health, simply return it, even if the containers are empty, and they'll give you a full refund. That's how confident they are in this product. No risk, just pure health benefits. Alert: Moringa Magic is only sold from their official website, so to get the original Moringa Magic and the guarantee, click the link in the description to get your Moringa Magic supplement today, risk-free from the official website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on living a healthy, holistic life. And now, it's your turn. Have you ever tried Moringa? How did it work for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Stay healthy, stay vibrant, and as always, take care of your holistic well-being. See you next time on Holistic Living.